Hello fellow tippers. I'm David Smith, bringing to you today a short tutorial on how to create your greeter video for our group advertising. But before we get started, I need to change into something a little bit more appropriate. Just a moment. Much better. So here are some guidelines I would like you to follow when creating your video.
First, have plenty of light. We need to be able to see you, plus we want to put you in the best light possible to create a positive image. In this video, notice how low the light is. It may be a function of location or it may be a function of the camera. Do your best to have more light. In this video, notice how much good lighting there is on the speaker. This is a good example of having sufficient light.
Secondly, if you're using your smartphone to record, turn it horizontally rather than vertically. This will give a much better impression.
Plus, if you have an attachment to hold your phone, that would be helpful. Also, ask a friend or coworker to hold the phone for you. Be sure not to have too much headroom. That is where you can see too much space above your head. Do not worry about perfection. I can fix things in post. In this example, notice how much headroom there is in this video. See how it was corrected in post.
Next, and probably most important, is know what you're going to say. Since you are introducing both the showboater and greeter, it will be helpful to know who they are so you can say something about them, and also know about the subject matter the speaker will be presenting in the upcoming meeting.
So give them a call and ask questions. And guess what? You're also getting in an unscheduled visitation. Who knows? In your conversation, some tipping may happen.
Last and certainly not least, don't worry about doing it all in one take. If you have to stop and start for different segments, that's fine. We can work with that. Thanks for watching the short tutorial on making your greeter video. If you have any questions, be sure to call me and ask for guidance. Thanks, and you have a great tipping day.